Hello, viewers. Welcome to Sensor 360 Investor Channel, where we make use of best practices from around the world, from the companies that we invest in, and apply that to the investing process. So this video is a continuation of looking at Quants, Algos data based on the concept of data sciences, etc. And we are going to focus in the area segment of trader within our 360 view of investing. So the topic is trading Quants Algos data. So this video is being incrementally developed over, and it's kind of a little mini series to get there. So I'm using a couple of analogies to help the viewer understand. And before we begin, the channel's not providing financial advice. Please pause, read, and continue. Okay, so without much further ado, let's begin the show. As I said, this video is going to get developed, and there'll be a few more videos as we work through these bullet points. And if you want to refer back to the beginning of the analogies, you can take a look at this video of learning from the FIFA World Cup, matching it up to your investment styles. But for today, we're going to do a preview of year-to-date winners. I mean, it's almost the end of the year. There's a couple of weeks still to go, so we're almost there. And I doubt if the top of the list is going to change materially. And so there's been the only selection criteria that was applied was that the beginning of the year that the stock should have been trading at a minimum volume, make sure it's liquid, and also I set a minimum price, so to avoid all the penny stocks and the low price stocks which can distort these lists. And tonight I'm just going to show you top 30 from that list, and then in January, once the year is finished, we'll do a top 100, but that'll be at the sensor meeting. Okay, so the top 30. So here we have the top 30 list, and you can see, so you may recognize some of these. In fact, CEIX coincidentally was a topic of a momentum stock trade idea that was posted earlier this week, and it just happens to be also the year-to-date top performing stock. And so a couple of these are notable, which we've seen through the year. Sunny First Solar, CDI, we've seen SCLD, SQM, LNTH, as these all look, those are fairly familiar, SMCI. And then Oxy has been through AMR, has been through CIX. So several of these were definitely playable. So let's have a quick look at the charts. Okay, so let's look at the charts for these stocks. And so here we have the daily, set this to year to date. So this was the left side is the beginning of the year, and then all these stocks should be above $15 price minimum. And let's just wade through. So certainly a nice uptrend, been digesting. So I'm not going to analyze these, but let's just have a quick look visually at the charts. So long uptrend there. So this one had a recent jump, so probably discount this one. Initial move up and then sideways. This one's had a fairly well defined uptrend. Just so this one's been pretty choppy, sloppy. Okay, this one's a reasonable uptrend. This one's been back and forth a bit. So several of these have given multiple ways to have played these through the year once you pick them up as leaders. Okay, so back to our list. Yeah, we'll take a look at those charts in more detail at some other time, but it's definitely a lot of them, if you review them offered you opportunities throughout the year to have entered them and traded them. And then if we take another look at this, if we just look over the annual growth rates over 1 year, 2 year, 3 year, and 5 year time frame. So over 1 year, this is going to be close to the year to date because we kind of will overlap a little bit. So these are the top 15 stocks on an annual growth rate, year-to-date performance over 1 year. Then if we look at over a 2 year period, so it's interesting that out of this list, 3 of them, actually 4, are missed LNTH. So 4 of them, including LNTH, carried through over a 2 year time frame, and then 3 out of this 4 carried through. None are carried through to across the 5 years, but AXSM this year made the list, so as a top performer. So probably the sweet spot is 1 to 3 years for trading these momentum stocks over that time period. Beyond that, it gets kind of, you're getting into longer term. Maybe they're done with the runs, but certainly these 4 here and these 3 here are probably worth taking a look at. And as I said, CEIX was a potential trade video posted earlier in the week. Okay, so this is an additional piece more related to the stocks related in this little mini series on quants, algos, and data. And I'm using the FIFA World Cup as an analogy to help the viewers understand how you can possibly pick stocks using something that's unrelated to stocks but easier to understand, and that is picking a potential team that can go on to either win or at least get to the finals of the FIFA World Cup. So we'll continue to develop both themes over a couple of more videos before we close this little series out. And that'll probably tie up with the finale of the World Cup in a week and a half's time. So that's it for this video. If you haven't subscribed, if I can ask you to please subscribe. And if you like this, give it a thumbs up. Please share with your family and friends. And if you're inclined to, leave a comment. That's it for today. Thank you for listening. Thank you for watching. Goodbye for now.